Let's make a very delicious crab stick omelette.
Or let's say a crab cakes. We will be using these surimi sticks. This is it tastes like crab. This is an imitated crab. And let's open let's take the plastic off this surimi stick. Then let's cut them in pieces. And then using this, you just spread it. Then the idea is to make it like this. Some surimi sticks does really go quickly. Even though we just do like this, then it goes off like this. So you see, just put it there. Here are our ingredients. 300 grams of surimi sticks, 4 eggs, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, parsley,
Spring onion,
onions, about 2 or 1.5 onions, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We'll have a dash of white pepper and salt. Tablespoon. So that's about 3 tablespoons here. Let's fry the onions. Heat your pan. And put the onions. While you are heating your onions, you can break your eggs. Then you can scramble your eggs. Then put cornstarch. Put white pepper. Just a dash of white pepper. And a dash of salt. It's okay if even though it's the cornstarch is not properly dissolved, it's okay. Then add your crab. Then remove this one. Then use the spoon to mix it. That looks good. Then with this one,
spring onions,
just add to have some greens also. Now you can taste the egg. This egg, if it's enough salt. It feels like it needs more salt, yes. So just sprinkle a bit of salt and then also sprinkle a little bit of pepper. And mix. Now let's test if the taste is good. You can also, this crab can be already eaten actually, even though it's not cooked. The eggs are not cooked. Perfect. Let's cook these onions. Now it's nicely cooked. Now let's put the onions. And mixed. Mix the onions together. Now let's start cooking this in 2 portions. So let's make like this. First portion and second portion. Using the same frying pan, let's put new oil. Just a little oil. Then let's spread it around. Then let's put the stove on for medium heat. Then let's slowly put this other half. And let's make sure that it's in circle. We can also put a cover. And we can put, if we put a cover, then we have to adjust it in lower heat so it doesn't burn down. And the idea of the cover, it will warm also the upper side, so the steam will go around. Now let's check and see if we can flip it. Oh, that's lovely looking. So we're gonna flip it. Oh, so lovely, beautiful. Let's continue cooking on the other side. And give it for about 2-3 minutes. You see the steams beautifully sets in. And now it should be ready. Let's check. Wow, it's so beautiful. You see? I'd like it a little bit brown. So let's put 1 minute more. Wow, that's beautiful. So, oops. Beautiful. Now let's cook the second one. Let's put more oil. Then scrub it around. Before putting this last one, always mix it so the eggs will distribute all around. And make sure there's enough oil also here. And it's also medium heat. Low heat, I mean. Should be in low heat also. So this, you can call this crab cake or omelette, crab omelette. Then I put cover. And give it for about 2 to 3 minutes in slow heat. So the numbering of this stove is until 9 and I put in number 3. Now let's check. I have the feeling it needs more time. Yeah, it needs more. Oh, it's perfectly cooked. You see, it's perfectly cooked. You can turn it around now. Wow! Looks so beautiful. For sure it tastes good as well. Now let's cover again for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's check. The aroma is so good. Tastes so good, feels so good. Perfect. Now it's done. Now it's done. Perfect. Let's cut it. So if you're a big family, you can cut it like this. Just to show a little bit that there's 8 pieces here. This crab omelette or crab cake is best served with ketchup. Let's have a taste. I have a small mouth, so I get to take a small one. So good. So good. It's just so good. See, the consistency is so good.